Hello friends, my name is Brenil and today I'll show you how to make a paper snowflake. And you only need two materials. It's only a piece of paper and a pair of scissors. And first, fold the paper from the top edge to the bottom edge. And then fold the paper from the right edge to the left edge. And then fold the paper from top to bottom, top edge to the bottom edge. And then again fold the paper top edge to the bottom edge. And then use the pair of scissors you have and cut the paper. And then you just have to cut a shape you like. I actually do triangles and some other shapes too. And then you carefully open up your snowflake. Open up your snowflake very carefully. You don't want your snowflake to rip. Otherwise, you'll have to remake your paper snowflake. So open it up carefully, completely. And then ta-da! This is your snowflake. And here are the other designs of snowflakes I made. This one, and these are the other snowflakes I made. These two are the other snowflakes I made. And thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoy it, and please subscribe to my channel.